Hey everyone, if you want to create a Yahoo account without using your phone number, this video is for you. Today, we will show you how to create a Yahoo account step by step without needing a phone number. We will use clear and simple methods. Watch until the end so you do not miss any important steps. A Yahoo account is a free, all-in-one digital identity that gives us access to Yahoo services, mainly Yahoo Mail. It also lets us use Yahoo Finance, News, and Sports. We can sign in with a phone number or personal data to get mail, personalized content, and sometimes cloud storage. Creating a Yahoo account helps us use Yahoo services like email, news, finance, and Yahoo Answers. With an account, we can set up personal settings, log in securely, save references, and use features easily across devices. Now let's go through the steps together, so even beginners can follow along easily. First, we open our browser and go to yahoo.com. When the page loads, we click the Sign In button in the upper right corner. We click Sign In. Since we want to create an account, we click the Create an Account section. To create an account without a phone number, we need to sign in with Google or use an existing email. By signing in with Google, we can make a Yahoo email without a phone number, because if we create an account in this section, Yahoo will ask for a phone number. Now, we click Sign In with Google. Make sure you already have a Google account. Choose the account you want to use. Here, we enter our last name and birth year. Then, we click Next. Just click Allow. You may need to adjust some settings or create a passkey. Then we are done. That's it. We now have our Yahoo email. And that is how we can create a Yahoo account without using a phone number. Be sure to follow each step carefully and double-check your details before finishing the sign-up process. If Yahoo asks for extra verification, do not worry. That is normal and usually depends on your location or device.